Transform your finances. 3 simple habits to boost wealth fast. Good morning, good afternoon. Greetings to all in whatever time zone you are in. Welcome to Deeper Value Within. I am so delighted that you are here. I give you credit for opening the door to me here, so we appreciate your commitment to change your future. Welcome to Deeper Value Within, where we dive deep into strategies that can help you build wealth and secure your financial future. Today, we're going to explore how small, seemingly insignificant habits can either drain your wealth or help you grow it. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable tips to start altering these habits and boosting your wealth. So, without much ado, let's get into a subject that many people are asking. I do not have any money to invest at the moment, but what baby steps we can take? I hear you, and that is exactly why we are here. For those who are nickel and dimer, as a kid, I lived in communities with people who were not very wealthy visually. They always seemed to have little for themselves and sometimes very little to share with others. Then suddenly, these same frugal families were packing to move to the suburbs, and no one suspected they were going to move to the next level. They moved out of that neighborhood to a wealthier neighborhood and bought a brand new home and car, which was amazing to me. This made me take mental notes, and the light bulb would go off in my head. Surely, I took notes. So, as a young adult, I found it a path worth studying and exploring. I had the penny bank savings, and when that penny bank was full of coins and off, I went smiling to the bank and deposited them in my savings account. Benjamin Franklin famously said, "A penny saved is a penny earned." Got that? Let me repeat, a penny saved is a penny earned. While that was true 200 years ago, today, a penny saved can become 2 pennies earned when you factor in interest. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle? It's not just about having a high-paying job or hitting the lottery. The secret often lies in something much simpler, your daily habits. Let us discuss habit formation. When people hear the word habit, they often think that it's a quick fix. You might have heard that it takes just 21 days to form a new habit. Sounds easy, right? Unfortunately, this belief sets us up for failure because it underestimates the time and effort required. This misconception can be traced back to Dr. Maxwell Maltz, who in his book, Psycho-Cybernetics, mentioned that it takes a minimum of 21 days to adjust to a new situation or habit. However, many people conveniently forget the word minimum and just quote it as 21 days. This has led to widespread misinformation. A more accurate picture comes from a 2010 study conducted by University College London. This study tracked 96 people over 84 days to see how long it took them to make a daily health or lifestyle change. The results were eye-opening. On average, it took 66 days for a new habit to become automatic. Some people in the study managed to do it in as little as 18 days, while others took up to 254 days, almost 8.5 months. The study also revealed something crucial. The amount of effort required to form a habit significantly affects the time it takes. For instance, drinking an extra glass of water each day, a low-effort activity, becomes a habit much quicker than committing to an hour of exercise daily, which requires much more effort. Now that we've set realistic expectations for habit formation, let's talk about the current economic challenges that make these changes so necessary. Let us face it, my valuable friends and family, the economic climate today is tough. Many people are living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worrying about whether they'll have enough to cover their bills, let alone save for the future. Some are unemployed or underemployed, forced to take jobs that don't match their skills or education just to make ends meet. But here's the thing, while we can't always control the economy, we can control our habits. And by altering a few key habits, you can start to build a financial cushion that will protect you from the ups and downs of the economy. In addition, to add value to you today, if you stick around toward the end, as a bonus, we will practice some mindset shifting strategies. Let's dive into 3 common habits that could be draining your wealth, and how you can change them to start seeing a positive impact on your finances. My valuable friend, before we delve deeper into today's topic and you forget, please consider giving the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Of course, it is free, so just hit the subscribe button if you have not done so yet. Habit 1. Reducing water waste. Consider some of your common wasteful habits. Have you ever noticed how often we waste water without even thinking about it? One of the most common habits is leaving the tap running while brushing our teeth or shaving. It seems harmless, right? But over time, this small habit can add up to a significant expense. Impact on wealth and environment. Not only does running water unnecessarily increase your utility bills, but it also contributes to water scarcity, a growing concern in many parts of the world. Water is a finite resource, and wasting it is not just bad for your wallet, it's bad for the planet. So, what can you do? It's simple. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth or shaving. Only run water when you need it. This small change won't just reduce your water bill. It will also make you more mindful of how you use resources in general, which can lead to further savings. Next, let's talk about another habit that might be costing you more than you realize: your grocery shopping habits. Habit 2. Smart grocery shopping. Tough for some to consider, but just be open-minded. Having a saving and wealth-building mindset will help you with brand perception. When you walk down the aisles of your local grocery store, do you automatically reach for the name brand products? Many people do, believing that the higher price tag means better quality. But that's not always the case. Let us consider some research findings. Studies have shown that private label or generic products are often just as good, if not better, than their name brand counterparts. The difference? Name brand products spend more on marketing and packaging, which you end up paying for. I would like to suggest a few practical tips regarding this. Here's a tip. Next time you're shopping, take a moment to compare the ingredients or nutritional information between the name brand and generic products. You'll often find that they're virtually identical. By choosing the generic option, you can save a significant amount on your grocery bill, money that can be redirected towards savings or investments. Let's move on to another area where you can save big, your auto insurance. Habit 3. Saving on auto insurance. Let us look at a common misconception. Many people stick with the same auto insurance company for years without shopping around for better rates. This can be a costly mistake. Just because you've been with a company for a long time doesn't mean you're getting the best deal. Now we are at this point, let us look at practical tips. Here are some strategies to consider. Compare insurance costs before buying a car. Insurance premiums vary widely depending on the make and model of the car. Research this before purchasing to avoid unexpected costs. Raise your deductible. Increasing your deductible can lower your premium. Just make sure you have enough in your savings to cover the higher deductible in case of an accident. Reduce optional insurance on older cars. If your car is older and not worth much, consider dropping collision and comprehensive coverage. This is at your own consideration. Bundle your insurance. Many companies offer discounts if you bundle home and auto insurance together. Maintain a good credit history. A good credit score can lead to lower premiums. Take advantage of low mileage discounts. If you don't drive much, ask your insurer about discounts for low mileage. Ask about group insurance or umbrella coverage, which can give broader coverage, which can bring savings. Some employers or organizations offer group insurance discounts. By implementing these strategies, you can potentially save hundreds of dollars a year on your insurance. But remember, to truly boost your wealth, you need to put those savings to work. Stacking up savings for wealth building concept of saving and investing. Saving money on water, groceries, and insurance might not seem like much on their own. But when you combine these savings and consistently invest them, you can start to see significant growth in your wealth. Setting goals. Here's how you can do it. Set up a separate savings account specifically for these small savings. Every time you save on your grocery bill or insurance, transfer the difference into this account. Set a target goal. Maybe it's a down payment on a house, an emergency fund, or your first investment in stocks or mutual funds. Long-term impact. Over time, as these small amounts add up, you'll see your savings grow. And once you reach your target, you can use that money to make an investment that will generate passive income. Whether that's through stocks, real estate, or a side business. The key to all of this is consistency and patience. Just like forming a habit, building wealth takes time. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Today, we've covered a lot of ground, from the myths of habit formation to practical tips for saving on everyday expenses. The key takeaway? Small changes in your daily habits can have a big impact on your financial future. So, I challenge you, take one of the habits we discussed today and start making a change. Whether it's turning off the tap, choosing generic brands, or shopping around for better insurance. Commit to making that change for the next few months and see how much you can save. So, as a bonus, here's the mindset shifting process for today. In previous videos, we discussed the power of daily affirmations, which can help you position yourself for growth and financial success. Earlier we quoted, "Penny saved, penny earned." Here are a few variations on the penny saved, penny earned concept for your confession. 1. A dollar saved today is a dollar multiplied tomorrow. This version emphasizes the growth potential of saved money through investments or interest. 2. Saving a penny is like planting a seed. It grows into a dollar over time. This metaphor likens saving money to nurturing a plant that grows over time. 3. Every penny saved is a step closer to financial freedom. This phrase highlights the cumulative effect of saving small amounts regularly. 4. Money saved today is money working for you tomorrow. This version suggests that saved money can generate more wealth in the future. 5. A penny saved today could be the fortune of tomorrow. This phrase emphasizes the potential for small savings to grow into significant wealth over time. 6. Each penny saved adds up to a future of possibilities. This variation focuses on the idea that even small savings can create future opportunities. 7. A penny saved is more than earned, it's invested in your future. This version stresses that saving money is not just about earning, but about investing in long-term goals. 8. Save a penny today, enjoy the rewards tomorrow. This emphasizes the delayed gratification and benefits of saving money. These variations can be used to emphasize different aspects of the saving and wealth-building process. Thank you for watching Deeper Value Within. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And if you have not done so already, please do hit the subscribe button as well. And while you are there, touch the notification bell so you never miss out on our wealth building tips. And let me know in the comments, what habit are you going to change first? Then, if you would be so kind as to share the video with your family and friends, we would greatly appreciate it. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more ways to the path of financial freedom. Until then, my most valuable and treasured deep thinker, say, I am valuable. Again, I am valuable. Oh yes, yes, yes. You are, and go ahead and own it. My dear valuable and precious friend.